Diving into DIY car maintenance can be rewarding and save you money, but knowing where to draw the line between DIY and professional help is key to keeping your car running smoothly. Start with the basics. Changing your air filters is a simple task that can improve air quality and fuel efficiency. Similarly, replacing wiper blades is straightforward and ensures clear visibility during those rainy drives. Regular oil changes are essential for your car's health. With the right tools and a bit of research, changing your oil and oil filter is a manageable task for most car enthusiasts. Just make sure to dispose of the old oil responsibly. While it's tempting to tackle more complex repairs, tasks like transmission work, brake system repairs, or electrical issues often require specialized tools and knowledge. Incorrect handling could not only worsen the problem but also put your safety at risk. Ignore your limits. If a maintenance task requires lifting your car or handling heavy machinery, consider the risks. Professional mechanics have the necessary equipment to do these jobs safely. Remember, regular maintenance checks like inspecting your tires, checking fluid levels, and keeping your car clean are all within the DIY realm. But when it comes to the intricate systems that keep your car running, there's no substitute for professional expertise. Stay curious, stay cautious, and when in doubt, consult with a professional to keep your car in top condition.